Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Xmas is coming, the season of love, lights and creativity. In today's video we will make beautiful Xmas decoration using wooden pieces and recycled materials. You don't need to buy expensive decor. We will turn simple old and unused things into amazing festive craft that brings warmth and rustic charm to your home. So grab your glue gun, paint brushes and let's get started. Before we begin, let's talk about why wooden and recycled Xmas decoration are so special. Wood gives a natural cozy farmhouse style look that never goes out of trend. And when we use recycled materials like old jars, cardboards, bottles, caps, or fabric scraps, we reduce waste and show care for our planet. This kind of crafting brings out creativity, mindfulness, and that heartwarming Xmas spirit of making something meaningful with your own hands. Let's start with a simple idea: mini wooden Xmas trees. You can make them using leftover wooden planks or even old pillars. Cut them into triangle shapes, stake a few together, and glue them into a small base. Together with pine cones, fairy lights, or tiny red berries. These little trees look adorable on tables, shelves, or even outdoors on your porch. If you paint them white and dust a little glitter, you will get a beautiful snowy winter. In this video, we gives you the amazing ideas about related to in this Xmas season. This Xmas season gives you that amazing vibes. Next, wooden slice ornaments we talk about. Let's make wood slice ornaments. If you have an old tree branch or some round wood slice, drill a small bottle, small hole at the top for hanging. Paint or draw simple Xmas designs, snowflakes, reindeers, stars, or the word joy. Add some twine or jute string to hang them on your Xmas tree. These wooden Xmas ornaments give a natural handmade touch that feels warmth and personal. Now let's recycle some old glass jars to make Xmas lanterns. Clean the jars, paint them into white or gold, and add some Xmas stickers on cut-out stars. Place a tea light or fairy lights inside. When the light shines through the glass, it creates a soft, cozy glow, perfect for evening decoration or a dinner table centerpiece. You can even wrap the top with jute rope and tie a small pine branch for the rustic farmhouse finish. Another amazing idea is wooden frame or rake. If you have an old embroidery hoop, bicycle rim, or any round wooden frame, decorate it with greenery, ribbons, and pine cones. Add a bow made from leftover fabric or burlap. You can hang it on your front door, window, or wall. It instantly adds a festive touch. These kinds of decorations show that you don't need expensive materials. Creativity is your biggest tool. If you have an old wooden spoons, sticks, or two parts, you can make a mini wooden sledge or rustic display tray. Glue the pieces together, decorate with fox, snow, pine leaves, and small ornaments. It looks beautiful as a table decoration or photo corner prop. You can also reuse old picture frames, bottles, or tin cans. Just add paint, ribbons, and Xmas magic. And there you have it, beautiful Xmas craft made from wood and recycled materials. These projects are simple, eco-friendly, and filled with heart. They remind us that Xmas isn't about spending money, it's about creativity, warmth, and joy. If you like these ideas, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for me. For more festive DIYs and decoration ideas, let's make this Xmas special, one handmade craft at a time. If you want to watch more designs and more ideas like this, you can create Very beautiful designs, very beautiful ideas, and amazing, thrilling ideas for anyone who wants to create something amazing and beautiful like this. So, thank you for watching. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care of yourself and your family members. Wishing you a very happy holiday, and this season brings for you very amazing and